Here we go. Let me in dom. No. Here we go. Well, it's a question number 3. Okay. Domain 1, still domain 1. Competency 2. Understand the property of complex number. Okay, which is complex conjugate, magnitude modulus, the z, and multiplicative inverse. Okay, what is the modulus of this? Here we go. So the standard modulus is this z. Okay, it looks okay. I'll put it here. My z is like that. No, sometimes I put it like this. That's why I put it like with this. No, just to let you know, it's not 2. Okay, just to let you know, I'll put it this way. My z is the complex number a plus bi. What's an a? A is any number. B is any number. I. Okay. Now the question here is just to let you know that the square root of -1 is, what do you think? What's the square root of -1? I. You knew that in algebra 2. Okay. And then what's I? What's the value that in real number?
Imaginary.
-1, no?
Yeah.
If you remember that, no? The reason is this will help you with this. So now the question here is, what is the modulus of z3 minus 4i? So let's do it here. We call this absolute value formula. Absolute value. If you remember absolute value, it's like this. Okay? So my formula will be z is equals to, if you notice, it's like the Pythagorean theorem is a square. It's like a square b square. A square plus bi square. Like that, no? That's a formula. It's like a Pythagorean theorem. Now, I'm going to do is I'm going to apply this number here. We're good? All right, let's get it on. So let me continue. So I'm going to do is square root of, okay, let me write it here. So my a is 3. How do I know? Because that's just the number. This one is a number with I. So I'm going to put it there. It's 3 square, because that's the formula. This is for this. Plus bi. My bi is -4. Okay. So I'm going to write here. It's negative plus, where am I? 4i square. All right, here we go. So help me, what's 3 raised to 2 or 3 times 3? Help me out. What's that?
9.
9. Good. Now this one here, it's -4 square and I square. Why? Because I distribute the 2. Okay, this 2 I distribute it here and there. Okay, let me do it. Undo. Okay, so -4 square, it means positive 16. Yes or no?
Yes.
And I, remember, I put I here, no? I. So it means, if I means the value of I is somewhere here, right? What's the value of I?
-1.
So I'll put -1 square. Help me, what's a -1 square? 1 times 1. Oh, wait. -1 times -1. Positive 1, right? So positive 1 times 16 is still 16, right? Plus 9 on the other side. So this is under the square root. So let me rewrite it here. So square root of 9 plus 16. Help me. What's 9 plus 16? 25, no?
Okay, yeah.
25. Now, but they said square root because this is square root. So what do you think is my answer here?
5.
The answer is 5. That's my answer. What's the answer? A, B, C, or D? Tell me.
A.
A is the answer.